Hello friends, in this particular video I am going to discuss an optimization algorithm that is called group search optimization. So first of all, we have to understand the concept of group. A group is a structured collection of interacting organisms that is called members. So if we have some members which can interact and which are in a structured collection, we can say it's a group. The basic idea of GSO is GSO algorithm is basically a stochastic evolutionary algorithm which mimics the foraging behavior of animals. The meaning of foraging means finding food. So, the way animals find their food, the way they cooperate with each other, and once one animal find the food, how they give information to others so that others could also take benefit of that one is basically the foraging behavior of animals. The basic or the main foraging strategies that animals follow or animals produce is first one is the producing part, in which they search for the food, and second is the joining, which is called scrounging part, in which after finding the food other animals also join them. So finding the food or searching the food and joining means producing and scrounging are two basic foraging strategies in animals. In GSO, we are just trying to apply this producing and scrounging concept into an algorithm so that we can apply it in different strategies of say machine learning or artificial intelligence, and we can apply them this basic optimization algorithm to find out some better solutions. So in group search optimization, we have taken three types of members. They are producer, scroungers, and rangers. Who will be the producer now? Out of all members, the member with a promising area and who is conferring the best fitness value will be chosen as the producer. And there will be only one member who could become a producer. So, rest 99 members or 99% members can be selected as scroungers or rangers. Okay. After selection of scroungers and rangers, each scrounger make a random walk towards the producer, and the rangers make a random walk in an arbitrary direction. This is very important point that the scroungers are making the random walk towards the producer and rangers make a random walk in arbitrary direction. Why rangers perform random walk? So that they can avoid entrapment in local minimum. And it is also assumed that the producer and scroungers do not differ in their relevant phenotypic characteristics. So, what will be the benefit of this is that producer and scroungers can swap their roles. Any scroungers to have the possibility to become a producer. It basically depends. In different iteration, we have to found the best promising area. If a scrounger is in a much better promising area than of producer, then in that case, what we can do, we can swap the position of producer with that specific scrounger. So the population of GSO algorithm is called a group, and each individual in that population is called a member. Then we will apply some iterations. A group member which is located in the most promising area and conferring the best fitness value will be chosen as a producer. And then the producer scans the environment to seek the resources, the optima. Let's have a look with a flow chart of this one. What we will do, we will initially randomly initialize the group until there is at least one member in a feasible area, right? After that, we will calculate the fitness value of all the members as we do with different genetic algorithms. Then we will choose the producer which is having the best fitness value, and the producer will start producing, it will start searching the food. We will apply some iterations, and if the producer cannot find a better area after iteration, it will turn its head back to 0 degree. That means the producer will stay still and it will move his head towards different directions and angles. After that, it will produce. It will perform producing strategy. Then we will choose some scroungers which can further become producers, and we will randomly select some members out of rest members for scrounging duties. And then the scroungers will perform scrounging strategy. After that, we will perform ranging. We will find out other members which are not producer or scroungers. They will be rangers by default. And for each members of the rest members, we will perform ranging strategy. After that, we will check for the stopping condition. If stopping condition met, then we will end this algorithm. Otherwise, we will repeat this loop. And we will basically find out for how many times we want this repetition. But there will be two repetitions basically that we will discuss in algorithm parts. One will be for total number of members and another will be the number of stopping conditions that we wish. So guys, in this particular video, we have generally taken an introduction of group search optimization. And in second part, we are going to discuss what the algorithm is. So guys, till then, please like and subscribe and watch the next video also. Thank you very much.